Hey YouTube, wow, go on, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do, oil change on this bike right here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the lower section of the bike, because that's how you do the oil change on these. You have to remove the lower undercover. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that, and we also going to drop the oil and the filter. So let's get started. And that, so we have some bolts that we need to take loose, and there should be 4mm Allen, and that one looked like behind the kickstand it looked like a 6mm Allen right there. So look at this beauty right here. So you want to get the Allen key. Let's take these out. So whatever Allen key touching the this lower section of the bike, you just want to go ahead and remove it. And this one you're gonna need a 13 or a 1/2 inch wrench on the other side, because on the other side of this have a nut over there. See, I put my hand. So you can see the nut fall down in here, but that's not a big deal. Since we're taking it down, we will have access to the nut. So it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. And this right here. So you want to hold this part of the fairing right here and just pull it towards you, and it will clip out. So now you have enough room for it to clear, so that's good. So if you look right here, you have 2 hooks right here, one right here, one over there. You want to lift up and go and pull forward towards you, and it will come loose just like that. Get it from the other side.
What? Yeah, I can pull it on the side. And go forward. Like that.
So guys, you just want to go up and forward, then come down. Just have something underneath the bike so you don't scratch your fiberglass. So a nice trick you can do so you don't have to burn the oil off your exhaust, you just wrap this right here. should do the trick. So you want to use these, the oil filter wrench, to just pull it a little bit. Just small movement and it will get loose. Once it get loose, you line your pan up. So that what the foil paper prevent the oil from touching the exhaust. So guys, you want to make sure you get a little bit of the oil. Even though as you can see that this one have come with like some wax or grease on it, but get a little bit of oil and just rub it on it so you can seal properly. Make sure the surface, the mating surface, is clean as well. So just go ahead and get a cloth and wipe it so that is clean. So once the rubber meet contact with the surface, you want to make 3/4 of a turn or a full turn, whichever you can get, and that will seat the oil filter properly. There you go. Now it's time to loosen the drain plug, which sits at the bottom of the oil pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. So now what you want to do is double check your work. So you want to make sure your oil filter is tight and your drain plug is also tight. So once that's good, it's time to put on the flaring, or you can throw in your oil. It doesn't matter which way you go. Alright, so we need to pull the oil cap right here. Alright, so we're gonna add oil. This comes with a built-in funnel, so that's good. And we're gonna throw the whole jug in there. So once we pour in the oil in the bike, we just gotta put back our drain plug, make sure our seal is there. Go ahead and tighten it up. So you just want to look through this right here. You can see the oil is all the way up. So once we start the bike, the oil gonna circulate throughout the bike and fill the filter and all that other stuff. So let's just go ahead and start the bike up. So guys, you just want to, after you start the bike, let the bike run for a little bit, and then you want to check underneath and make sure it's not leaking any oil. Once it's not leaking any oil, you can go ahead and just put on the lower cover. So guys, you just want to make sure you hook the front first, and then you follow up with the rest and just install this piece right here. We're on the finishing leg. So the same way you take it off, you just want to go in reverse. So we take off the back first, and then we'll unhook the front. Now we gotta hook the front and then put up the back. So that is it, guys. The bike is all back together. Oil is good, the oil level is good, there's no oil leak. That's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this baby together.